How to link your Steam account to your Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can link your Steam account to your Ubisoft account. So to do that, what you'll have to do is first of all, go to Ubisoft Connect on any web browser on your device. Now once you've done that, simply make sure to download the Ubisoft Connect app. Now once you've downloaded the app, you'll have to also download the Steam app and log into your Steam account. Now, as you can see, I've currently downloaded the Ubisoft Connect app. So once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. So for now, I'll simply minimize the browser and then I'll simply open these two apps only. Now, here you'll have to log into your Ubisoft account. So I'll enter both my email address and my password and then tap on the option login. Now, once you've done that, if you want, you can set up two-step verification, but for now, we'll simply skip this process. Now, once you've opened the Ubisoft Connect app, what you'll have to do is simply tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to simply tap on the second one, which is settings. After that, simply go to account linking and then under account linking, you can see an option named remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. So simply tick on this box right over here. After that, simply scroll up to the top side of the screen and then tap on the option Restart Ubisoft Connect. And in the meanwhile, also restart your Steam as well. So let me close both my Ubisoft Connect as well as my Steam application and then relaunch both of them. So now, once you've done that, once you try to open a Steam game, you'll have successfully connected your Steam account to your Ubisoft account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.